Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
Yeah, you got Matt and Jim here.
Yeah,
It's
at the counter.
yet again Friday.
It is, and I'm a little worse for wear. I broke my ankle putting up some Christmas lights. I fell off a ladder at home, and it kind of sucks. So it's a real bummer.
Yeah, right. Well, if anybody knows Matt, he he doesn't really believe in the automatic transmission.
Yeah, so, everything we own, me and my wife, everything is all a standard. So I'm being chauffeured around by Jim, and thankfully my wife is wonderful, and she works at the shop here more now.
Yeah, right.
And my 3 kids help, so without them I'd be kind of buggered. Even when I fell off the ladder, my dad took me in, got me looked at. So I'm hoping things heal up the way they should, but it is what it is.
Yeah, so you probably won't be seeing videos on any sort of intensive things.
Unfortunately, I'll be off my feet for quite a while, so we'll try and put out a few more videos now and then.
Yeah, no, it'll give us more time for that.
So the YouTube channel will become maybe a little bit more
more of a revenue stream.
Yeah. Thanks to the subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do like it, share it. It helps.
It's been wonderful.
Yeah.
We've seen all sorts of subscribership grow. So if you just come on board, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, and welcome to the channel. And we also have a Patreon page. If you're so inclined to help us out over there, we started doing what we're going to try to do is a tool of the week. So if you like old tools, we're going to do a real in-depth kind of video just on the tool, what it does, maybe some literature about it. Not that it's going to take away from how we do the channel normally, but just added benefits and maybe some videos that we're not going to put on YouTube. People ask in the comments I see, this is a full-time job. We restore cars for a living. Not all of it makes it on YouTube. We do lots of small jobs. There's things that we do. Unfortunately now, not so much. I appreciate everybody that's involved, and thanks to Jim and, like I said, my wife and stuff for looking after this cripple for the foreseeable future. But we thought we've been getting some really wonderful mail.
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, right.
So we've gotten some live mail.
Yeah. This
hand delivered.
Yeah. Real-time mail.
Dale, we rebuilt a Chevy head for him for his 1929 Chevy fire truck, and he brought this old box by. He said he had no use for, which is good because we do.
Yeah.
And I've only got a few of these, but for those familiar, these 8-point sockets are for square nuts. A couple of square nuts.
Right. And it's like the whole kit and caboodle here.
Yeah, I only had a few, so now I think between all these old sockets, we've got a full set. And the most wonderful bolt twister offers.
Yeah.
Half-inch drive for this tiny little bolt head.
Yeah, 5/16 to half.
So. Yeah. So that was cool, but thanks, Dale, for that. That's a handy tool. We'll get those cleaned up, put away.
Neat old box.
Yeah, durable, made in Canada.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Hey, what else we got there, Jim?
Dig through the old mail pile here.
Oh, mailing it in today, yeah?
Mailing it in, yes.
What do we got here?
Envelopo, yes.
T-shirt from Jefferson Street, Franklin, Indiana.
Well, let's take a peek.
Okay. What do we got
here? Oh, we'll just fish it all out.
The bias pliers.
Oh, what's going on here? Bias pliers, eh?
Oh, cool. Nice old valve caps.
Look at this patches here.
Some stickers.
Patch my shirt up.
Got a chopped shoebox on there. Looks pretty cool.
Holy, couple of toques.
Or beanies.
A beanie?
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, I thought this was packaging. There's actually a lovely note here.
Oh, what's it say?
Hey guys, just watched White Wall Christmas episode.
Couldn't
agree more about the bias plies. Yeah?
There you go.
I started a joke car club some time ago called the Bias Pliers because radials are ugly.
Hey.
This guy knows what the time it is. Eh? Thought you guys needed some swag. Yeah. Love the show. Just put a 53 flathead in my 50 Ford. Doesn't get any better. Sailor Nick.
Oh, that's awesome.
Well, thanks.
Thanks,
Nick.
Sailor Nick.
Yeah, that's great.
We're now members of the Bias Pliers.
Oh, wow.
The folks know that I advocate for Bias Ply tires quite a bit.
Tire valve caps.
Yeah. Well, that was very
kind.
kind.
Very cool.
Happy to be part of this club.
Yeah, right?
Well, thanks, Nick. That's awesome. Get those put up somewhere, eh?
Yeah, right.
Might need this. Getting cold next week, eh?
Oh, for sure.
All right, Jim.
What else we got?
A few more boxes. In
fact.
Here, I think I can handle that one.
Here's some light work for you. Yeah.
Now, hi guys, love the show. Here's a vintage tool for your collection. David Penhale. What do we got? Oh, cool, spark plug gapper.
Oh boy, that's handy.
AC.
Oh, look at that, and the C is the
the gapper tool. It goes from 20 to 85.
Oh,
cool. Oh, it just all slitted. Well, that's very nice. That'll go in the collection. Thank you, David. That's much appreciated.
Yeah, nice piece.
Love this stuff.
Oh, it's so neat, hey?
I know Cassie was looking to try and get something like this made for the garage, to sell.
Oh yeah, SG instead of AC.
Yeah. If anybody knows how to get this stuff made, drop us a line.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect. Oh,
I'll let you do the heavy lifting now.
heavy lifting's right, hey? What we got here?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
This we kind of opened again just to make sure.
Yeah.
Very nice. So this comes from Texas.
Wow.
All the way from sunny Texas. Great show. Keep it up. Hopefully you can use these items in one of your projects. I might have some more tools to send later. Oh, wow. Enclosed are pictures of my dad's car and some of a car my grandfather's brother owned. They didn't scan so well, but again, keep up the show. It's great. McWilliams. Well, thank you, sir. I did spend some time in Texas as a younger feller. Oh, we got 37 Ford here. Model A Ford.
Oh, that's cool. That's a pretty nice
Pretty nice iron right there, little sedan. Jim used to have a four-door sedan Model A like that.
Yeah, and I traded up.
Yeah.
Didn't have enough friends to fill it, so I'll just get a coupe.
Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. Thank you.
Oh, and so what do we got here? Hauser Engineering and Manufacturing, Markle, Indiana. Oh, no way. Instead of Hauser, valve spring shim gauges.
Oh, cool.
So there you go. You just kind of, oh, this has got the instruction sheet. There we
You
go.
got the specs
Cadillac V8, all the specs. Yeah, so you just, oh, boy, those
It hasn't
probably
been
haven't,
used.
haven't
Free
been
them
out.
up?
Yeah, in a while. But no, you simply kind of place it on there.
Ooh,
Consult the chart, and it'll tell you what kind of shims you need. Very cool.
Beauty.
Holy.
Beauty of a Ford monkey wrench. That's a Ford wrench.
Oh, wow.
That's beautiful.
cool.
And USA.
Yeah.
This is cool because all the stuff from the States says USA, obviously. And because
Yeah.
we're from Canada, it usually says made in Canada or it's got a D on it for Dominion of Canada. So all the axles and stuff like that will have a D kind of forged into them. So this USA stuff is cool. Thank you so much. That's very kind.
Very neat. We got some wrapping here. And,
Hey, some Ford hubcaps.
Ford caps. Cool. Yeah, they're in great shape. So, yeah, no, that's just wonderful to hang on the wall till the car comes along.
That needs them. Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate that very much. All the way from Texas.
Yeah, great.
And I hope they brought some warm weather with them.
Perfect.
Okay.
And just some Texas bubble air here.
Texas Air in the bubble wrap.
We got one more here.
Oh, what's this? This looks heavy.
Heavy duty, yes, sir. All the way from
Oh, we got an envelope.
Dawson's Creek.
Oh, Dawson Creek, BC.
You bet. So not as far as Texas. We got
Older though.
Yeah. There we go. Hey guys, acquired this old heater a number of years ago. Cannot, despite hours online, find anything that looks like it. Anything on Dominion Auto either. Put it up on FB Marketplace. Got no bites. Like to find a good home in a period vehicle. Cheers and good luck. Oh wow, I can't read the name here.
Uh-oh, let's see here.
Giles, Miles,
Giles?
something.
Giles or Miles? Thank you so much.
Yeah. Awesome.
Apologize for not being able to read.
Yeah, right. So,
what's this heater now? You got me all concerned.
yeah,
That's
right.
cool.
Well, it's about the reason for
Some rarity.
the season nowadays.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's a nice old aftermarket unit. Nice crinkle paint on it still.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh yeah, this one's
Multi-blade
really
fan.
in nice shape.
Yeah.
Look at that heater core is in great shape. So you can adjust it where you need it. Hey?
Yeah.
Got
Oh, there's a tag on it here.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. What is that? Manufactured by Dominion Chain Company. Wow. A few patents on it.
Niagara Falls.
It's an I-31.
Made in Canada.
Yeah.
Well, that's a beauty. That'll find a home. And it's got capabilities for like a
Oh, a defrost?
defrost if you wanted. You run a defrost hose out the side. And wow. Well, thank you so much for that, sir. That should end up in the car for sure. Always nice to have heat, isn't it?
Yes, yes, especially up here.
Well, that's it for the mail, right?
Yeah.
Other than the bills, I don't think you guys want to see us open
Yeah, no. You see us wince.
wincing at the price. But anyway, that's very kind of you folks to send that. I mean, it does mean a lot, and some of the stuff is very useful and valuable, and I appreciate the effort that goes into it. Yeah. Well, Chevy's up for sale.
I know. You wish you could keep it, but
You can't keep them all.
Keep them all.
this is how we make a living. Not so much buying and selling cars, but I see people in the comments wondering. And this is full-time job, antique cars and fixing them.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. There's no other job than this.
Yeah,
so.
and with this, it's a bit of a.
Yeah, Matt slowed down a little bit now.
Oh, unfortunately, who knows how long either. But anyway,
but no, it was always our intent to.
Yeah, to sell the car. So unfortunately, but somebody will get the right car. I hope the right guy wants this car because it's such a neat example of an unrestored original car.
Well, it's incredible. From 1948, it's been unaltered, untouched.
Yeah, original chrome, everything.
Yeah.
And the car runs perfect. Well, you've seen the videos. If you haven't, we have a little playlist on it. We've gone through the car mechanically. It's got new exhaust.
Top to bottom, it's been safety inspected. It's currently insured, registered.
Ready for the road, man.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, winter up here, but if
anywhere else in the world.
I don't know if it wants to go to sunny California or perhaps back to its home in Oregon.
Yeah. But I think if you're interested in the car or know somebody that's interested in the car, get them in touch with us. Strong's Garage at shaw.ca. Send an email. And
it'll be in the description.
Yeah, link in the description.
Yeah.
And I don't know. We'll probably do another walk around video just at the end here once we get caught up on a couple things at the shop.
Yeah, right. Well, not so much a walk around.
A hobble around.
Hop around.
Yeah,
video.
Hop around. Yeah. But anyway, if you're interested in the car.
Christmas is coming. So
oh, Santa would
this size fits all.
Yeah, this size thing. You can fit a whole family in there. Load of presents in the back. Hey, going with your buddies, whatever. So anyways, that's it. So the car's for sale officially. We haven't advertised it yet in other avenues, so we thought we'd put it out here first. And if anybody's keen, hit us up.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
You betcha.